Remember the days on how confusing it was putting together a bibliography? In today's 1 Minute Wednesday, we're going to be talking about a feature in Google Docs that not only is super easy, but it's absolutely free. I've gone ahead and I've opened up Google Docs, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to head up to Tools and select Citations. A panel's then going to appear on my right-hand side. I can choose what format I need my bibliography in. And then I start adding my information. I can even take it a step further and add citations directly into my paper if I wish. Or I can just export the bibliography as is. We not only save time, but no more of the days of crossing your fingers and hoping your bibliography is correct.